Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Then tap on the settings option to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system and then tap on it. Now find the option called vibration and select it. And right here you have a couple levels of vibration intensity. We have off. If you select this one, the vibration will be turned off. If you select low, you have the low vibration, then we have the medium and high. Select the one you like, and once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.